Why does your scanner show the P2297 engine code? What does it mean? P2297 stands for 0-2 sensor out of range during deceleration bank 1 sensor 1 in your vehicle. It indicates that the oxygen sensor has out-of-range sensor performance when the vehicle is decelerating for bank 1 sensor 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Exhaust leak, malfunctioning oxygen sensor, wiring issue, bad electrical connection, powertrain control module (PCM) failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD-II equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, BMW, Volkswagen, Mercedes-Benz, Chrysler, and Dodge. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.